Love a good salt and chilli takeaway? What if we told you you can make it at home in just minutes? And it's even better than a real thing. Let's get started. Chop up a red onion and some mixed peppers, nice and chunky for that perfect crunch. Now take your chicken, dice it into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Coat the chicken in corn flour with a teaspoon of bicarb. That's the secret to getting it ultra crispy. Shallow fry until golden, crunchy and irresistible. Once cooked, pop it in a bowl and set aside. Next up, get your veg into a hot pan with a splash of oil and fry until vibrant and slightly charred. Bring the chicken back in, and now for the game changer. Pureety salt and chilli seasoning. Be generous, coat everything, let the flavours do their thing. Toss, sizzle, serve, and dig into your homemade mouth-watering fake away. Fast, fiery and full of flavour.